1986 Tiffany Classic Coupe. Price $6,750. Location, Arizona. The 1986 Tiffany Classic Coupe is a rare automotive gem that perfectly captures the essence of neoclassic luxury from the late 20th century. Built on the dependable Mercury Cougar platform, this car combines vintage European-inspired styling with the reliability of American engineering. With only 54,016 miles, it stands as a well-maintained and eye-catching collector's piece that offers both charm and drivability. The exterior design is where this car truly shines. Finished in an elegant cream color, it features a bold chrome grille, classic dual emblems, and distinctive side-mounted spare wheel housings that immediately set it apart from ordinary coupes. The 15-inch wire wheels wrapped in thin white-wall tires further enhance its vintage personality, making it look like a luxury car straight out of a different era. The lighting system has been upgraded with modern LED-style headlights and amber fog lights, giving it improved visibility without compromising its classic appearance. Adding to its unique presence is the dual air horn, ensuring that this car not only looks impressive, but also commands attention on the road. Every detail on the exterior reflects a thoughtful blend of nostalgia and subtle modernization. The interior offers a comfortable and surprisingly modern driving experience. Beige upholstery complements the exterior perfectly, while features like power-adjustable seats, power windows, and power door locks provide convenience. The inclusion of air conditioning and a digital dashboard brings a touch of 1980s innovation, while the simple layout with a two-spoke steering wheel and cruise control makes every drive relaxed and enjoyable. The performance is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine with electronic fuel injection, paired with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth and reliable driving. With front disc brakes and power steering, this coupe is not just about looks, it's also practical and easy to handle. Whether cruising through the city or taking it out for a weekend drive, it offers a balanced and hackerable experience. The Tiffany Classic Coupe represents a unique moment in automotive history, when creativity transformed standard cars into luxurious works of art. For collectors or enthusiasts looking for something truly different, this car offers style, comfort, and rarity, all in one package. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a statement on wheels that continues to turn heads decades later.